My dear students, today we are going to discuss about the topic supervision. In the last class, we have discussed there are four primary elements of directing: supervision, communication, leadership and motivation. Today we can discuss about supervision. Supervision is a Latin word. Super means from the above and vision means to see. In ordinary sense, supervision means overseeing the activities of others. In management, supervision means overseeing the subordinates at work with authority and with an aim to guide the employees if he is doing wrong. Supervision is direction, guidance and control of working force with a view to see that they are worked according to plan and keeping time schedule. Definition: supervision is the function of assuring that the work is being done in accordance with the plan and instruction. From the definition, we can say that supervision is concerned with to see they are working according to plans, policies, programs, instructions and the time schedule. Supervision means to guide them at work. Supervision means to give them directions to get the work done. Now let us discuss what are the significance of supervision. Issue of orders and instructions. The workers require guidance at every step. Supervisor can clear their doubts and tells them the proper method of doing a job. Planning and organizing the work. A supervisor acts as a planner and a guide for his subordinates. He schedules work to ensure the proper flow of activities. Next one, important at all levels. Supervision means overseeing and watching subordinates. Supervision includes motivating, guiding, inspecting, developing, coordinating and controlling the subordinates. Vital link between workers and management. A supervisor is a representative of the management and a very important figure from workers' point of view. He communicates policies of management to workers and also provides feedback from subordinates to management. Motivating subordinates. Supervisors inspire teamwork and secures maximum cooperation from employees for getting better results. Feedback to workers. Supervisor compares the actual performance of worker against the standard laid down and identifies weakness of workers, and he will suggest corrective measures to overcome them. Proper assignment of work. A supervisor assigns work to each worker and delegate authority to workers. Some workers may sit idle, whereas others may be overburdened if work is not properly assigned. Okay, so these are the significance of supervision. Next, let us discuss what are the roles and functions of a supervisor. Supervisor is a key man in the management. A supervisor is the key figure in every organization because he or she makes decision, controls work and interprets policy of the management to the workers. person in the middle. That means supervisor has to work between two forces, namely management and workers. Supervisor as a human relations specialist. The best supervisor is a practitioner of human psychology. He recognizes individual differences as well as group mentality and keeps interpersonal relations harmonious. Develop employee potential. Supervisor develop innate qualities of employees to improve their performance. He provides expertise, skills, knowledge and experience to make workers learn without fear and hesitation. Favorable work climate. The best supervisor create and maintain high performance standards. He will be always goal oriented and strive to attain expected result by adopting right type of leadership style. Self-development and subordinate development. Supervisor gives equal emphasis on his personal growth as well as on the growth of his subordinates. Next, knowledge and execution of company plans and policies. The best supervisor knows fully the plans and policies of management and he executes them thoroughly. So these are the main roles and functions of supervisor. Hope that you understood today's session. Thank you.